Welcome to eStorm's Bite-Sized Tech Tips. On today's quick video, we're going to be covering a few tricks with Windows 10 that you might not have known about. Tip number one is snapping windows. I really love this feature on Mac, but you can also do it on Windows 10. It's really simple. All you have to do is just click and hold the title bar of any window or application, drag it to whichever side you want it to snap to, and you'll see a translucent box appear, and then you just let it go and it snaps into place. Tip number two is print to PDF. This is really handy, especially if you've got an article that you want to save or you want to refer to later. All you have to do, no matter which browser you're on, just hit Control P. That'll bring up your print settings. Now just go to Destination and hit Change, and make sure you have Microsoft Print to PDF selected. Now hit Print. Now you can save it to wherever you like. We'll give it a title. And this is what the saved PDF looks like. Tip number three is step-by-step. If you've ever needed to show someone a step-by-step guide on how to do something with their computer, you can use Steps Recorder. So to open that, we just go to our search bar, we'll type in steps, and now I will start recording. Okay, so now let's say I wanted to show someone how to turn on their nightlight feature that comes with Windows 10. So we'll click down on our home button and we will type in settings. We will go to system, display, nightlight on, and say for instance we wanted to turn the nightlight on right now, we would go nightlight settings and turn on now. This is just a built-in feature that helps reduce the blue light coming from your monitor. Now we'll hit stop record. Now we have a detailed step-by-step breakdown of how someone would go and turn on their nightlight feature. Thanks for watching eStorm's Bite-Sized Tech Tips. Let me know in the comments what program, application, or OS you'd like to see more tech tips on, and I'll see you in the next one.